Thank you for tuning in to this brief tutorial on assigning graduate advisors in Forms banner. From the banner links page, click on Prod. Enter the banner screen name. On the banner screen, enter the student's banner ID. Enter the term for which the graduate advisor is being assigned, and click Go. When the advisor information screen displays, enter the advisor's banner ID. Click on the advisor type box and select Graduate from the menu and click OK. Select the primary indicator box and click Save at the bottom right of the screen. If the student already has an assigned advisor, you will see this message, which prevents you from entering a new advisor banner ID. To assign the new advisor, click on the Maintenance button and select End Advisor from the option list. Then click Start Over to resume the process. To verify the graduate advisor assignment, log into Web Banner and enter the student banner ID. Select the student information screen. Verify the student name and the advisor. Please don't hesitate to reach out to the Center for Graduate Studies for additional guidance.